Adventure deserves a camera that's tough, compact, and affordable. Best budget GoPro options deliver crisp video, strong stabilization, and reliable durability without the premium price tag. Capture action, travel, and everyday moments with performance that keeps up wherever your story takes you. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. GoPro Hero 13 Budget GoPro. The GoPro Hero 13 Budget GoPro stands out as one of the most versatile action cameras available, delivering premium performance while remaining accessible for everyday creators and adventure enthusiasts. Designed for people who want professional-looking footage without complicated gear, this camera combines cutting-edge features with rugged reliability. One of the most impressive highlights is its compatibility with the new HB series lens system. These lenses allow users to instantly transform how the camera captures footage, whether attaching the ultra-wide lens mod for immersive POV shots, the macro lens mod for detailed close-ups, or neutral density filters for cinematic motion blur. The camera automatically detects the accessory and adjusts its settings. This smart detection feature saves time and ensures optimal results without requiring manual configuration. Video quality is another major strength. The camera records in stunning 5.3K resolution, delivering incredibly sharp footage with far more detail than traditional 4K or 1080p recording. This high resolution also allows creators to capture still images directly from video clips, producing crisp photos up to 24.7 megapixels through the GoPro Quick app. Number 2. GoPro Hero Budget GoPro. The GoPro Hero Budget GoPro is designed for users who want the iconic GoPro experience in the simplest and most compact form possible. Built with portability in mind, this model is significantly smaller and lighter than many traditional action cameras, making it perfect for travel, outdoor activities, and everyday adventures. Weighing only 86 grams and featuring a design that reduces overall volume compared to previous models, it easily fits into a pocket, small bag, or even a jacket compartment. Despite its compact build, it still delivers the durability that GoPro cameras are known for. The body is rugged and waterproof up to 16 feet, allowing it to capture moments in rain, snow, or underwater environments without requiring additional protective housing. One of the most appealing aspects of this camera is its simplicity. Instead of overwhelming users with complicated menus and advanced controls, the camera focuses on straightforward operation. Users can simply frame their shot, press the shutter button, and instantly start recording. This makes it especially appealing for beginners, casual creators, and travelers who want to capture memories quickly without worrying about technical adjustments. Even with its beginner-friendly approach, the camera still produces impressive visuals. It records ultra-high-definition 4K video. Number 3. GoPro Hero 12 Budget GoPro. The GoPro Hero 12 Budget GoPro represents a powerful combination of high-end imaging technology and rugged design, making it an excellent choice for content creators, athletes, and adventure enthusiasts. One of the most impressive improvements in this model is the addition of high dynamic range support for both photos and videos. HDR technology allows the camera to capture more detail in scenes with challenging lighting conditions, such as bright sunlight mixed with deep shadows. Instead of losing detail in dark areas or overexposing bright highlights, the camera preserves a balanced and natural look that closely matches what the human eye sees. Video performance is a standout feature of the Hero 12. The camera records in stunning 5.3K resolution, offering significantly more detail than standard 4K footage. This level of clarity is ideal for creators who want cinematic quality results or the flexibility to crop and reframe footage during editing. In addition to high-resolution video, the camera captures sharp 27-megapixel photos, allowing users to document their adventures with impressive detail. Another convenient feature is the ability to extract 24.7 megapixel still images directly from recorded video clips using the GoPro Quick app, making it easier to capture perfect moments.
Number 4. GoPro Max Budget GoPro. The GoPro Max Budget GoPro is a unique action camera designed for creators who want the freedom to capture every angle of a scene without worrying about framing the shot in advance. Unlike traditional action cameras that record a fixed field of view, the Max records immersive 360-degree video in 5.6K resolution. This means the camera captures everything around it at once, allowing users to focus on enjoying the moment instead of constantly adjusting the camera position. After recording, the footage can be reframed using editing tools to choose the best perspective, making it incredibly flexible for storytelling. This feature is especially valuable for activities like mountain biking, skiing, travel vlogging, or group adventures where action can happen in multiple directions at once. The GoPro Quick app plays a major role in unlocking the potential of this camera. With its advanced editing tools, users can easily transform spherical footage into traditional video clips that look professionally produced. Object tracking technology automatically follows a chosen subject as it moves throughout the scene, keeping it centered in the frame. This allows creators to produce dynamic videos without needing complicated editing skills. The app also allows users to extract photos, create cinematic transitions, and export ready-to-share clips for social media or personal collections. Another impressive feature of the Max is its stealth mounting capability. When mounted on a grip or extension pole, the pole automatically disappears from the final. Number 5. GoPro Hero 10 Budget GoPro. The GoPro Hero 10 Budget GoPro delivers a major performance upgrade compared to previous generations, thanks to the powerful GP2 processor at its core. This advanced processing engine significantly increases the camera's speed, responsiveness, and overall recording capabilities. From faster menu navigation to smoother video performance, the GP2 chip transforms the experience of using the camera. It also enables higher frame rates and better image processing, allowing creators to capture extremely smooth footage even during fast-moving action scenes. One of the most impressive features of the Hero 10 is its high-resolution recording capability. The camera can capture stunning 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, producing incredibly sharp footage with far more detail than traditional Full HD recordings. This resolution also provides flexibility for editing, allowing creators to crop, zoom, or stabilize footage without losing clarity. In addition to powerful video capabilities, the camera captures 23 megapixel photos that preserve fine textures and vibrant colors. Users can even pause video recordings and extract 15.8 megapixel still images from 5.3K footage, ensuring that important moments are never missed. Slow motion performance is another highlight. With the ability to record up to 8 times slow motion at 2.7K resolution, the camera can transform high-speed action into dramatic sequences.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.